LG shakes up loss-making phone business, to outsource lower-end models, the journal Pioneer. Chinese probe orbiting Moon with Earth-bound samples, Lethbridge Herald. Watch Walmart's dazzling light show using 1,000 Intel drones, Digital Trends. Lily Allen forced to isolate one of her daughters after classmate contracts coronavirus, Daily Mail. Cyberpunk 2077 vs GTA 5. How the games handle vehicles differently, Sportskeeda. Trudeau government won't say who got billions of dollars in aid. CBC.ca. The moment former Bachelor Matty Johnson realizes his 15 minutes fame is over, Daily Mail. Nokia 5.4 specs leak. Snapdragon 662 chipset, 4000 mAh battery. GSMArena.com News, GSMArena.com. Article Image Essential Science. Brain implant restores vision to the blind, Digital Journal. Brazil orders Apple to include power adapters for iPhone 12 sales, Hypebeast.